Hey YouTube, this is Dan Muddy Wheels here. I've been working on the Technics 630 deck for a few weeks now. I fucked up my LEDs the first time, so I've had to redo them because I put the wrong dropping resistor on them. So I blew a whole array. That took a while to redo them. That's 5mm LEDs, and then I'm experimenting with some surface mount ones for the VU meters. As you can see here, I've got the lamp basket thing for the well, and I've tried to put some blue tungsten paper on the inside. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. I've just been cutting it up. You can see on this light that the actual paper looks really nice, so hopefully it will actually work with the LEDs. They're white ones that I'm putting in there, cold white ones, so I thought it might bring the temperature back down something closer to what the light bulbs were originally. I've got to double check the voltage because I haven't done one of these decks for a long time. I've redone the motor, changed it for a 6-volt one, and I put a little regulator circuit with it, and then also I've got to punch out the pinch roller as well and put belts on it, so it's all in a bit of a state at the moment, but I thought, well, I'll start somewhere and carry on. So tomorrow I'm going to take the flywheel assembly out, clean it up, put the belts in it, solder the motor back in it, and see if I can get it to actually run, and then we'll go from there.